In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations in HubSpot. First, you will need to sign in to HubSpot. This is the gateway to accessing all the powerful tools and features that HubSpot offers. You will see a login screen where you can enter your credentials. It's important to keep this information secure to protect your account. Once you successfully log in, you'll be taken to your HubSpot dashboard. This is where you can start your journey in creating effective automations. Make sure you have your login details handy for a smooth start. Next, locate and click on Automation in the main menu. This will open up a drop-down where you will find the option for Workflows. Selecting Workflows is crucial because this is where you will create and manage your automation processes. You'll notice various options related to automation, but focusing on workflows is key to achieving your goals. The interface is user-friendly, so don't worry if this is your first time. Once clicked, you will move on to the next step seamlessly. Now, click on Create Workflow. This action signals the beginning of your automation adventure. You will be prompted to choose between creating a workflow from scratch or selecting a template. Choosing a template can save you time, especially if you're new to HubSpot or want a quicker setup. However, creating from scratch offers more customization options. Whichever you choose, this step is essential for tailoring the workflow to your specific needs. Once you have made your selection, it's time to set an enrollment trigger. This is a critical step because it defines when your automation will initiate. For example, you might choose to trigger the workflow when a contact submits a form. This ensures that your automation is based on specific actions taken by your users, making it relevant and timely. Setting this trigger correctly will help streamline your processes and improve engagement, which is vital for any business. After setting the enrollment trigger, click the plus button to add actions to your workflow. Actions define what happens once the trigger is activated. You will see a list of options, including sending an email, creating a task, updating a property, or adding a delay. Each of these actions plays a significant role in automating your processes. For instance, sending an email can keep your contacts informed, while creating a task helps you manage follow-ups efficiently. Selecting the right actions is key to making your workflow effective. Now that you have added your desired actions, it's time to click Review and Publish. This step allows you to go over your workflow setup and ensure everything is in order. Review each action and trigger to confirm they align with your goals. This is an important moment to double-check your work as it helps prevent errors that could disrupt your automation. A thorough review ensures that your workflow is ready to perform as intended. With everything in place, click Turn On to activate the workflow. Doing this final step means your automation will start running based on the triggers and actions you've defined. This is an exciting moment as you can now sit back and let HubSpot handle these tasks for you. Activating your workflow is crucial because it allows you to focus on other important aspects of your business. With that done, you are now equipped to enhance your efficiency through automation.